In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Users and Accounts. Then tap on Google. Select Google Password Manager and click on Accounts at the bottom left corner to hit Add Password and input all of your informations. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, log in to any app and hit Continue in the pop-up to save your password. This way it will appear here, and from there you'll be able to add any other one. When you're ready, you can input any website or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!